Okay, so looping through arrays. For loops are very handy for iterating over data structures. For example, we can use a for loop to perform the same operation on each element on an array. Arrays hold lists of data like customer names or product information. Imagine we owned a store and wanted to increase the price of every product in our catalog. That could be a lot of repeating code. But by using a for loop to iterate through the array, we could accomplish this task easily. To loop through each element in an array, a for loop should use the arrays.length property in its condition. Check out the example below. See how for loops iterate on arrays. So const animals equals grizzly bear, sloth, sea lion. So for let I equals 0, I smaller than index.length, I++, console.log animals at index I. Okay, so this example would give us the following output: grizzly bear, sloth, and sea lion. In the loop above, we've named our iterator variable I. This is a variable naming convention you'll see in a lot of loops. When we use I to iterate through arrays, we can think of it as being shorthand for the word index. Notice how our stopping condition checks that I is less than animals.length. Remember that arrays are zero indexed. The index of the last element of an array is equivalent to the length of the array minus 1. If we try to access an element at the index of animals.length, we will have gone too far. With for loops, it's easier for us to work with elements in arrays. Instructions: write a for loop that iterates through our vacation spots array using I as the iterator variable. Inside the block of the for loop, use console.log to log each element in the vacation spots array after the string I would love to visit. For example, the first round of the loop should print I would love to visit Bali. Okay, so we're going to start off with the for loop. I equals 0. I is going to be smaller than vacation spots. So length. Then I plus plus. I'm going to go ahead and log vacation spots. Okay, so it says here to log each element in the vacation spots array after the string I would love to visit. Okay, so each one, so for instance, I would love to visit. Then we add vacation spots. So if we do that, it says I would love to visit Bali, Paris, Tulum, but I assume that they want it separately. So what I can do here is at index 0, we'd get Bali. So let me just vacation spot at index I. If we run that, there you go. I would love to visit Bali. I would love to visit